Hello. For TY students, you have session at 4 p.m. So lecture, I have to leave lecture before 4 p.m. Okay. So my question is why we are taking cross product and not dot product. Yes. Hello. Hello. Yes, anyone? Why we are taking cross product? Okay, because in cross product only we are giving direction, right? We are using unit vector a bar n, and dot product is a scalar quantity, right? That's why we cannot use a unit vector. Okay, so to find unit vector we have to use that formula. Okay, now so for finding unit vector a bar n normal to this plane. Okay, so it is a bar cross b bar divided by mod of a bar cross b bar. Now it is equal to, this a bar cross b bar is equal to 26 a bar x plus 18 a bar y plus 30 a bar z divided by mod means its magnitude. So take square root. Square root of 26 square plus 18 square plus 30 square. Now tell me the answer is equal to, hello, the answer is in terms of vector a bar x, a bar y and a bar z. First solve this square root and then tell me the equation. Hello, anyone solve? Gayatri, what is the answer?
हाँ मॅडम.
Answer सांगा. Everyone is solving?
हाँ सॉल्व केलं मॅम.
Okay, answer me. हां सांगा आन्सर काय?
0.596 a bar x
0.596 a bar x plus
0.413 a bar y
413 a bar y plus
0.688 az
a bar z. Right. Right. Answer is right. Okay. Everyone is solving example or not? Hello?
Solving, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, everyone noted? Can I erase? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. बाकीचे काय रिप्लाय देत नाहीत का? ओनली लिसनिंग. Okay. Now write down next example. Two vectors are represented by a bar is equal to 2a bar x plus 2a bar y plus 0 a bar z, and b bar is equal to 3a bar x plus 4a bar y minus 2a bar z. Find a bar cross b bar and show that a bar cross b bar is at right angle to a bar. To a bar. Okay. Now tell me how to solve this example. I want answer from you. Two vectors are given, right? A bar and b bar. First, find a bar cross b bar. So how to find a bar cross b bar? By taking determinant, right?
determinant
Okay. So first write unit vectors a bar x, a bar y and a bar z. Now coefficients means coordinates. First, a bar's coordinates are 2, 2 and 0, and b bar's coordinates are 3, 4 and minus 2. Okay. Now solve this. It's equal to a bar x into bracket 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 0 is 0. Okay. Then minus a bar y into bracket 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, and 3 into 0 is 0. So it is minus 0. Last term is plus a bar z into bracket 2 into 4 is 8, minus 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. So it's equal to minus 4 a bar x minus minus 4 a bar y, that is plus 4 a bar y, and 8 minus 6 is minus 2 a bar z. Sorry, 8 minus 6, it is plus 2. Okay, everyone understood this cross product? Now show that a bar cross b bar is at right angle to a bar. How we can show this? Hello, how we can show this? Can we take dot product? Can we take cross product?
Cross product.
If we take cross product, there is unit vector a bar n, normal unit vector, right? So dot product is simple. Okay. So what is asked? Show that a bar cross b bar is at right angle to a bar. Okay. Means if we take dot product, so what is formula for dot product? A bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar into cos theta. If I take the cross product, there is no problem, but we have to consider the normal unit vector also. Okay, and dot product is very simple. Okay, that's why we are using dot product to find the theta. Okay, now for finding the right angle, means if the two vectors are normal to each other, this is a bar and this is b bar, then the angle between these two vectors is equal to 90 degree, right? If the angle is 90 degree, then what is cos 90? What is cos 90? It is 0, right? If
0.
cos 90 is equal to 0, then this term becomes 0. Okay. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. That's why this a bar dot b bar term becomes 0. Right? And if we take the cross product, then sin 90 is 1. Then in that you have to also find the normal unit vector. Okay, that's why we are taking this dot product. Okay. Now here dot product is 0. Now here which angle is asked? Show that a bar cross b bar is at right angle to a bar. Okay, means a bar cross b bar, okay, is at right angle to a bar, means their dot product must be 0, right? If dot product is 0, its meaning is the angle between these two vectors is 90 degree. If the dot,
हेलो मैडम,
हाँ बोलो बोलो,
ऐड करा की थी विशाल लेफ्ट का.
हाँ एक मिनिट. येतच नाही रे. आले आले आले. विशाल इंगळे मागाशी येऊन परत गेला का काय?
काय तर प्रॉब्लेम झाला असेल.
Okay, and why people are coming late?
काय असणार?
हा? लेट का येतात सगळेजण? मधून समजतंय का मग आल्यावर? ओके, हे समजतंय सगळ्यांना? समजलंय का? हे समजलंय का?
हो मॅडम.
ओके, बाकीचे क्लासमध्ये फक्त 1-2 जणच आहे. हा,
Yes, ma'am.
येस मॅडम, 1 आणि 2च रिप्लाय फक्त येतात, मॅक्सिमम 3.
समजलं मॅडम.
हा, हॅलो, बोला बोला.
समजलं म्हणते हो.
काय म्हणताय?
समजलं म्हणतात.
अच्छा, ओके. So this a bar cross b bar dot a bar must be 0, then and then only angle between these two vectors is 90 degree. Okay, now what is this a bar cross b bar? This value, right? So a bar cross b bar. It is equal to minus 4 a bar x plus 4 a bar y and plus 2 a bar z, right? Dot a bar. Now what is vector a bar? वरती दिले, हा, dot vector a bar and in bracket, so it is 2 a bar x plus 2 a bar y plus 0 a bar z. Now this dot product is a scalar quantity, right? So minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Then 4 into 2 is plus 8 and this 2 into 0 is 0. So this is equal to 0. Means these two vectors are at right angle to each other. Okay, समजलंय का हे एक्झाम्पल? समजलंय का?
हो मॅडम.
नाही, परत एकदा सांगायचं काय? बरं, ओके. So two vectors are represented by a bar and b bar. Okay, two vectors are given. Find a bar cross b bar first. Okay, now cross product can be found by using determinant form. Okay, so a bar x, a bar y, a bar z and coefficients or the coordinates of vector a bar. These are 2, 2 and 0, and for b bar 3, 4 and minus 2. Okay, so solve the determinant. A bar x into 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 minus 0, then minus a bar y into minus 4 plus 0 and a bar z into bracket 8 minus 6. Okay, so it is minus 4 a bar x plus 4 a bar y and plus 2 a bar z. Now the second question is, show that a bar cross b bar is at right angle to a bar. Okay, now if a bar cross b bar, this term is at right angle with a bar. Okay, now if we use the dot product of two vectors, then it is equal to a bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar into cos theta. And when these two vectors are at right angle, then angle between these two vectors is 90 degree, then cos 90 is equal to 0. That's why this whole term becomes 0. That's why this a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Means when the two vectors are at right angles, their dot product is equal to 0. Okay, now the question asked is, show that A bar dot B bar is at right angle to A bar. So if we consider this as A bar cross B bar dot this B bar is nothing but A bar, their dot product must be 0, then and then only these two vectors are at right angle to each other. Now A bar cross B bar, we have this as a vector, okay, dot A bar, okay. Now take the dot product. Always remember dot product is a scalar quantity, okay. Dot product is a scalar quantity. So A bar x dot A bar x is equal to 1, and A bar x multiplication of dot product with any another vector is equal to 0. Okay, so dot product is a scalar quantity. So minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, plus 4 into 4 into 2 is plus 8, and the third term is 0. 2 into 0 is 0, means minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. Means what? This dot product is 0. Okay, means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, समजले सगळ्यांना example? I think yes. Those who are attending lectures, those who are concentrating, they'll surely get the example. Okay, everyone noted? हाँ बोलो. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who left? Now write down the next example. A vector field is defined as W bar is equal to xy into A bar x minus 3x A bar y plus 4 A bar z. Find first is vector field at point P of 1 at point P of 1, 2, 3. Second is component of W bar at P in the direction of the unit vector. The unit vector A bar n is equal to 0.5 A bar x plus 0.8 A bar y minus 0.33 A bar z. And third, vector component of W bar at P in the direction of A bar n. And fourth, the angle between W bar at P and the A bar n. Okay. Write down the example first.